The north side can be considered a lot of things to a lot of people. From the wheelers and dealers, to the athletes, to the aspirational people, to the killers, to the crackheads, to everybody, right? The mothers and kids. It could be considered a lot of things. It could be considered safe, a place of familiarity, dangerous. But one thing it's considered to me is home. From the Hostess Bakery smells at 7 o'clock in the evening every day, to playing Matthew Dickey, or playing at Matthew Dickey, to arguing with people from Herbert Hoover. You feel me? But that's what made us. And ever since that tornado, it feels like they trying to forget about us. So these films or these videos are here to give y'all a glimpse into the people that are born, bred, and still live here. So as I sit on the porch of the house that I grew up in, and I almost was born in, except for it's right across the street, I bring to you, this is the North. Y'all done told y'all story 50, 11 times on these cameras and shit. Now I just want y'all to really talk about whatever the fuck, like, if you got the floor to talk to these aldermen, what you want to tell them.
Well, my plight is going to always be the same plight because I think it's very important. And that is that most of these buildings are 100 years old that's been damaged. So with that in mind, and when you think about it, the EPA was established in 1971. So that makes it about 54 years old, less than half as old as some of these buildings, that we're not thinking about our overall health in the long run. And we looking good right now, but what we gonna be looking 10, 15 years from now when they're talking about asbestos and lead poisoning and tornado lung, you know what I'm saying? So we have to think about those things. Those are the things that I think about because I want to live a long, prosperous life. You know what I'm saying? So the things that I do are the things, the energy that I put in the air, I always put that in mind. When I do things for old people, I think about me getting old. I think about my mama getting old. I think about my friends getting old. You know what I'm saying? So I think that should be, if not between the 1, 2, and 3 of top things that we need to be discussing, it should definitely be in that one of those positions, first, second, or third, because they can give us all the money in the world. If our health is poor, we can't enjoy it. We got to pay the doctors and the nurses, people to wipe our butt. Right. What's the sense of having the money? So
have you, like, from your experience of what you've been seeing, because you've been out, you've been out here, right? Do you think it's been any progress? Do you think, what have you seen out here that needs to be said to these people?
The resources, but what resources we need, you guys cannot predict. You have to come down here and ask the people what they need. And some people won't say this, but a lot of people need therapy. Hard to go from sugar to shit, having everything to having nothing
to even
yesterday you was living your best life, and today you living your worst life. That's got to be traumatic all in itself. And then you got to think, our children are sponges, they absorbing this. Come on man, treat us like y'all treat them. And y'all know what I mean when I say that. Treat us like y'all treat them. You know what I'm saying? This is a human rights thing. This ain't no color thing, no ethnicity thing. This is not even a money thing. This is people that need the resources that they need. And only way that any politician, only way you gonna know what's affected Tony, you gotta come ask Tony. Larry can't tell you, Pancho can't tell you, Mayor Claire can't tell you, Governor Cohey can't tell you what's affecting Tony. The best person to tell you what's affecting Tony is Tony. So y'all gotta come here and do y'all groundwork like y'all did when y'all wanted our votes. when y'all want us to push those bonds, when y'all want us to push those issues. When y'all want that, y'all come down here now.
Talk that shit.
Come down here now. That's all I gotta say, bro. I'm done, man. I'm gonna leave it up to my guy Larry. I'm sure he got more impact than me, and I want to put it out for this guy right here and let y'all know. This operation has been here every day since the day after the tornado. I haven't been here every day. Life be life. Larry got a life too. His life be lifing too, but he been here every day. Every day. These are facts. Larry Gray been here every day. Every day. I'm a witness to that, and I know it's a lot of other people witnesses to that as well. So, man, just come down here and see the people. We seeing it every day. We're seeing the deterioration in people's mind and people's body and people's thought process. Come on, man, y'all got to do something. You got to do something. We got the resources. And no way a nation is this great should let any of its people have to suffer any shape, form, or fashion when we have what it takes to make sure that they don't. Enough said.
What's the word, y'all? I ain't went live in a couple days, just letting you know we still out here. Got my buddy here. But we still out trying to help the community. I'll show y'all the progress of everything.
We're still trying to help and give food to everyone. And I'm literally praying for the people that got hurt and didn't.
Yeah, there you go.
And so they will live a longer life.
Yeah, what she said.